an eye tutorial, a makeup look, a glitter look, glitter-tastic day for everyone. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this glitter eye look. Whenever I do a glitter eye look as of recently, not like the 10 years ago-ish, but in the last few years, how I've been doing my glitter looks. It's so easy, and I have a giveaway for this glitter for you guys to win. Win a chicken dinner, woo! Without further ado, here you guys go, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. Okay, so, I was gonna say bare-faced. Girl, you have a full face of makeup on. I mean bare-eyed. Bare-eyed! So, I've been doing glitter eye looks for years, and people have been asking me how to do it, and honestly, people ask me for a tutorial on this, and then I say to them, yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna do it, and then I never do it. So today's the day where I'm finally doing it, and there's also a giveaway. Start bare-eyed. Okay, so first things first, if you want an eyebrow tutorial on how I get my eyebrows like this, the link is down below because I get questions on it. So the first thing you want to do is put eye primer on, but I don't have any. Mine's expired, so skip. Okay, so now you could just go on and put glitter. Honestly, you definitely could do that. But I have found that if you build an eye look and then put the glitter on, it looks even better. So I'm just gonna show you guys like a basic eye look. I'm gonna take this baby by ColourPop as well. Oh no, this seems like it's sponsored by ColourPop. They would never, girl. And we're gonna take Let's Go Party Purple lens with nothing. So all we're gonna do is work in the crease. Because I feel like if you just like throw on glitter, yeah, it looks cute. But if you blend a little bit around it and then put the glitter, it's like you're a makeup artist. Okay, I'm not like saying that I'm a makeup artist. I know it takes like skill and actually years to become a makeup artist. I'm just saying like it appears that you know what you're doing. Me trying to get a ColourPop sponsorship. Come on, Color Shop. Whenever I get questions on my makeup, it's probably because I'm wearing glitter. And it'll make your day so much better. I mean, hi, PiinkSparkles, look at, we're not using pink, but I'm in a really good mood. I'm gonna take Make Waves for all over the lid. These are like chalky shadows, I'm not gonna lie, but they do blend and apply very well, so we love that for them. And it doesn't matter how we apply it here because it's gonna be covered, but it's good to have a base under it. And like no one watches my makeup tutorials, so you're probably not even seeing this right now, but some people asked for it, so the 20 people that wanted it, here you go. So Zuma Beach, I'm gonna do a little, oh my, just a little Zuma Beach on the outer corner. That was a good decision. Okay, so I have something like this, and then this is called Nick. It's my favorite white for in the inner corner. It literally is like frosted. Ow! I just poked myself in the eye. Ow! So, I was at a New Year's Eve party once, and people were having glitter, because glitter, you know, New Year's Eve, glitter, girl, yes. Okay, I've always had this like love-hate relationship with glitter, because some glitter you have to put glitter glue on, then you gotta let it tack. You gotta go like this, and there's a bunch of fallout. I never know what brush to use. My brushes get coated in glue. Like using glitter's fun, but it's messy, and sometimes it just doesn't stay all day or it creases. And I was at this New Year's Eve party, going there to do my makeup and hair and get ready, and everyone was like literally just going like this, and their full eye was glitter, and I was like, what is happening? And my friend was like, it's this. And she pulls out this palette, and it was this. So it's the ColourPop. I don't even know, because honestly, they screwed up. They didn't say what palette this is. They didn't even say the ColourPop, the butterfly palette or something. So I don't even know what this is, truly. Like, it just says ColourPop. And on the back, ColourPop. This distributed by ColourPop. And on the inside, it just looks like this. It's so gorgeous, but look at these colors. You get so many colors for like any look you want. I don't even know what I'm gonna use right now for this look. I think we're gonna do like more bronzy. These are so easy to use. So I'm not gonna pull out no glitter glue. I'm not gonna pull out anything. What I'm gonna use is my finger, and it sucks when I have long nails. I usually do this if I have a broken nail. I think we're gonna go extra and do this one. So all you do, my nails are so long, I'm like going into, you just, oh, I'm not even filming it. You just go like this, and you see all that glitter from literally like 2 seconds. And all you do, like that's one dot. I picked a really good shade. Look at that. I wish I had shorter nails right now because I can't even get in the inner corner. And you can build it up to whatever you want. Look at this. So again, literally, and I'm not swiping, I'm just patting like that. Like so, my girl. And you can just keep piling it on until you get what the consistency you like. And this specific one has smaller and bigger glitter chunks in it. Cute. That is so cute, you see? So this is what it looks like. Kind of want it up a little bit more into the crease to blend it. Oh, sorry, I'm not even filming it. So it's more like in the crease. Literally, this is the cleanup. And nothing's like falling out. There's not glitter everywhere. You just have a little bit of sparkles on your fingers. So like if that bothers you, I don't know what to tell you. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of Zuma Beach and just go over it very slightly, just so it doesn't look like a harsh line of glitter, you know? And it blends it just nicely. And then pretty much that's it. You could also use a brush, but I just feel like the finger method is a lot easier to use. There's a little bit of fallout here. Now I'm gonna take some liquid liner. This one is the L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black Linear Intense. I'm not a fan of this one, but I bought it, so I'm gonna use it up until it's done. Now you don't have to do this step, but I just want to show that you can put liquid liner on top of this glitter as well. It might be a little bumpy, girl, but my life is one big bump. Baby wing. See? Look at how cute it's getting. I'm just gonna add some lashes and I'll be right back. I'm just putting a little bit of this shit on my bottom lashes, and this is the completed look. There's the look. Nice and glittery. You guys always ask me about it, so here you go. I love it. So that was the look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Now on to the giveaway. So this one is mine. There we go. Nice, colorful, and I used quite a bit of this, and it's like I didn't even put a dent in there. Like there's so much in there. You guys can do so many looks. So I have 2 winners that are gonna win the exact same thing. Okay, it says star-studded on it, so maybe this is the star-studded palette. I don't know, but I just feel like they should have put the name of the palette somewhere on here. Because what if in like a year you don't know, or even like a few months? Like I forget what I ate for breakfast. Like, wow, just put it on there. So what you're going to do if you guys would like to be entered to win this is you must be subscribed to this channel. You must follow me on Instagram and comment on this picture right here. And this contest will start today and it will end right here. So you can comment as many times as you like. If you are under the age of 18, make sure you do have your parents' permission. I will ship internationally anywhere in the world to you guys. But you have to be following me on there. That way I can get your correct shipping information. You have to be willing to, you know, accept something. I have not taken these out of the bubble wrap, but I will be sure to not bleach them. What am I thinking? Oh my god, sanitize them. So there's gonna be 2 winners, and I cannot wait to give you guys another giveaway because I haven't done a giveaway in so long. A giveaway and a little... So that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it brought some happiness to your day, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one.